Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise on sets. I have already discussed from question number 1 to 5 in previous two classes. You can check the playlist. Here from question number 6, assume that PA equal to PB so that A equal to B. So write down, let X belongs to A. Let X is any element of A implies X, if you give X in the bracket, curly bracket, then this is a set, is a subset of A. X is a subset of A. Or you can write this set X is belongs to power set of A. Power set of A. If X belongs to A, that means here A equal to X, then this is a set and this set is subset of A, and then this set is belongs to power set of A. Or you can write X belongs to power set of B, since PA equal to PB. You write since P of A equal to P of B, since P of A equal to P of B. Or you can write here set belongs to power set of B. So you can write set X is a subset of B. Or you can write X belongs to B. Here I have taken X belongs to A and here got X belongs to B. That means A is a subset of B. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Conversely, you can prove that if you take A, Y belongs to B, then write in this way Y is a subset of B. So conversely, you can write, or you can write if and only if also. Here give if and only if. Then A is a subset and superset of B. Therefore, A equal to B. You can write in this way also. Write down. Number 7. Is it true for any set A and B, power set of A union power set of B equal to power set of A union B? Justify your answer. It is not true. You can take any example to justify your answer. Write down solution. It is not true. Now you have to justify your answer. Consider or take example. Consider A equal to, say any element. You can take any element, say 2, 3, 1, 4. Write in this way. Say 2, 3. And B equal to 4, 5. Then A union B, you will get 2, 3, 4 and 5. And power set of A, you will get 5, next 2, next 3, next 2, 3. The set subsets of 6. Next, power set of B, you can write 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. This is the power set of B. Now, here you have to prove power set of A union power set of B. Therefore, power set of A union power set of B, you will get here this one 5, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the union of power set of A and power set of B. Next, find out power set of A union B. This one, that means 5, next 2, next 3, next 4, 5, taking element 5. Now take element 2 elements, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 2. Next taking 3 elements, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the elements of power set of A union B. So therefore power set of A union B is not equal to power set of A union B. Therefore write down power set of A union power set of B is not equal to power set of A union B. You can take any different example also. So write down. Next, number 8, show that for any sets A and B, A equal to A intersection B union A difference B and A union B difference A equal to A union B. You have to prove this one. Write down the solution. A, you can write A intersection U. U means universal set. Where U, universal set. Next, you can write A intersection. U means taking any sets here, say here given B, so write down B. B union B complement. B union, say this one set B and this one U. So this part is complement. So U means B union B complement. So write down now distributive law A intersection B union A intersection B complement. Or you can write A intersection B union A difference B. This is the proof. If here C given, so you have to write C. According to question, you have to write your answer. Again, A union B difference A. You can write A union B difference A means B intersection A complement. B intersection A complement. Or you can write A union B intersection A union A complement. A union B intersection A union A complement. Similarly, this one, say this one U. A union B, say this one A, this one B. A union B means whole part, and say this one U. A union B intersection U, that means you will get A union B. So this is the proof of this. I will discuss the later part in the next class. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.